here um, we do have a Rami Thomer name, right? So it is the mixture of small and capital alphabets. So I need all the alphabets in an uppercase, which is like capital. So for that, what I do is I select upper. I'm applying the upper formula, selecting this and click on enter. So it's giving me the upper cases of all the alphabets that are present here because we are taking the cell references from the B column. Same is the case with the lower. Lower is like small alphabets. So for that purpose, I'm taking lower to select them in a small alphabetical manner or order. So Ravi, Tomer, done. Now we are able to do it like Ravi and Tomer in a capital alphabets and small alphabets. Now we need them in a proper case where R and T in a Ravi Tomer should be capital and the rest of the other alphabets should be a smaller alphabets, right? So for that purpose, we have a formula called proper. So we are using the formula called proper and giving the cell reference of B4. Ta-da! So this is how upper, lower and proper cases work in an Excel.